We are assisting a merchant with the setup of the weight embedded barcodes. We're going to use weight embedded barcode parser. Right, so it's for a drumstick. The price total is $99. The price per pound is $2.99. First thing first, we want to make sure that we have an app called weight embedded barcode parser, and we want to make sure that this section right here is not red. It needs to be green, and it needs to say configuration complete, app ready for use. Now, the first thing, like how to handle this part right here, is we will go into settings, and then settings we're going to accessibility, and the weight embedded barcode parser needs to be turned on. So that's done. Now we have this turned on, right? And accessibility, again, accessibility, weight embedded barcode parser, and it's now on use service. So if we go back to weight embedded barcode parser and just kind of, close and open, there it is, configuration complete, app ready for use. The next thing we want to do is go to barcode settings, and for this label we're going to use, right, so this is the label, and we're going to use the very last setting option right here, the very last one on the bottom. Okay, and so now the step is to make sure that our inventory item is created correctly. So we're going to go to the inventory, and this is what I'm going to do. So the product code that we're using for this item is going to be 1 followed by 3 zeros and a 33, right? So it'll be, and I want to make sure that I only have one item represented by that code. So 1, 2, 3, 33. Right, so I got one item, my test item, and if you get two items, that's your problem number one. You have to have one item, so it has to be unique, right? So this one is 1 followed by 3 zeros and a 33, so that's what I have entered. Now let's take a look at how this item is actually set up. So we have the name, we have per unit option, the price has to match, it's $2.99, item unit has to be LB for pound. Right? We don't really care about availability or categories, modifiers, labels, or anything else, but the product code has to be 1 followed by 3 zeros and 33. Ultimately, the 6 digits ignoring that very first zero, right? And so that's done, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and hit save. So one item has to be corresponding to this search. Like if you do a search for 1 followed by 3 zeros and 33 and you get 2 items, that's your issue number 1. It has to be unique. Okay, and then we go to the register app and we simply scan this barcode here, and my cash discount program, so I'm going to just put other payment, but there it is, right? So Test Express Poultry, 0.33 pounds at $2.99 per pound, 99 cents, 115. Now if it doesn't work, and 115 because the subtotal is 99, but then I have taxes. If it doesn't work this way, like if it takes you to add item, the way to troubleshoot this device and make sure that this device is functioning properly is instead of it using the built-in camera. So let me go ahead and delete this item. So now I have a clean empty cash register again, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and alright, so here's the camera, and we just go and scan this barcode and we get a scan. And so now if you get it to work with the camera but not with the barcode scanner, then the barcode scanner probably did not come from Clover. Even if it's the same model, it has to come from Clover.